Hi everybody, I am Juhi Narula and I'm extremely ecstatic to tell you that we are soon launching with our own YouTube channel. We have named it Juhi's Verbal Classes. So before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Juhi Narula. I work with industry giants like An Academy for Instant Review and Pencil classes. I have 12 years of experience in training students for various competitive exams. I also happen to be a life skills coach and a content creator. I've done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. So it was a thought which was there since long, where I wanted to offer to the community our own YouTube channel. So these 12 years of experience that I have gathered, the number of students that I have taught, their success stories, our success stories, identification of the strengths, identification of the weaknesses, identification of the pedagogy styles, all I have thought to include in this YouTube channel, where we'll be offering you every possible help which helps you crack your dream exam and help you reach to your destination. So this would be a one-stop platform for all the management entrance exams. In fact, any competitive exam which has got verbal in it, you're most welcome to be a part of the sessions. We will try to cover every little detail, every little aspect, be it vocabulary, be it reading comprehension, be it para jumbles, be it grammar rules. We'll get into the details, and the objective would be to start from the basics and gradually raise the difficulty level. So consider this to be truly an opportunity to learn and get better with your skills to crack the verbal ability section. So the sessions would target our school-going students, because there is one very important exam, IP MAT, which is right in the 12th standard, where students get entrance into prestigious IIMs. Then, of course, for college students, and we would definitely try to incorporate certain sessions which would help working professionals. So the needs are different for working professionals. We would want the sessions which are crisp, which are power packed, so that they can get a lot in the limited time. So there's a lot to offer to all the major categories of students who plan to appear for various management entrance exams at various stages of their life. In the channel, we are going to include cat, of course, very important, because the sort of aggressiveness you want in cat and the sort of time that is required to crack cat, you have to be patient, you have to develop the skill set, and you need to ensure that your efforts are in the right direction. IPMAT, of course, because the competition is increasing as people are becoming more aware. It is one of the very interesting and lucrative options to go into IIMs directly after 12 standard. So the integrated program, 5 years of experience, and you have got a tag to, IIM, and that opens a lot of opportunities for you. NMAT again becoming popular. So this is an exam conducted by GMAT, and the popularity is increasing in India. About awareness is also increasing, and that also opens doors to a lot of colleges, as colleges have started accepting NMAT scores. Of course, GMAT, in case you would want to go for your masters from abroad, we would definitely incorporate some sessions which help you crack GMAT also. Then, of course, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, ZAT, these exams have got their special requirements, special preparation, and you need to ensure that you're targeting the areas, because at times our general preparation would not suffice when you want to crack exams like IFT and ZAT. So there would be special sessions targeting these exams. SNAP, of course, TIS, and many more. So we are going to cover as many exams possible. And how do we cover? We are going to have a comprehensive course coverage. So comprehensive course coverage means we start from the basics and gradually improve on the difficulty level, become better with every possible question, right? It is very important. Without having a solid foundation or a strong fundamental clarity, if you feel that you will be able to solve previous year questions, then it would be an effort in the wrong direction, and that would not give us success that we want. Then, of course, we will include a lot of YT shots that are in rates, so we can have a lot of vocabulary development happening through YT shots, a lot of quick grammar rules, so that you are getting your quick dose on regular basis to enhance your vocabulary and grammar. We will be keeping certain marathon sessions for working professionals because, like I said, the requirements are different. So maybe you would want a long power packed session of 2 hours in the weekend, and that helps you, focus on one particular aspect of the verbal ability section, and then you can gradually work on those particular topic related questions in the entire week. I personally believe that the best way to get better and the best way to practice is by solving previous year questions. They give you the right judgment of the difficulty level, right understanding of the type of questions that you're going to encounter, right? So you can easily gauge your preparedness when you solve previous year questions. So we'll ensure that we solve previous year questions of practically every paper. Then personality development sessions would be also a part of our YouTube sessions and offerings because see, ultimately we have to crack our interviews and group discussions. So without having a strong background, without knowing the right approach, at times, despite having the desired skill set, we are not able to do well. So where are those areas that we need to work upon, that we are going to work together in detail so that you come out more confident, you come out clearer, you have the right words, you have the right skill set, you know how to present yourself and how to come out victorious in group discussions and personal interviews. There would be a lot of strategy sessions on how to build speed, how to build accuracy, learn various types of elimination tools, some quick questionnaire that can help you get better with your identification of what aspect you would want to improve, right? So we will incorporate a lot of strategy sessions. There would be, of course, guidance to know about the various competitive exams that come. So how does snap work, how does IFT works, what are the various types of questions that you're going to get, what would be the time limit, what would be the positive marking, how would the negative marking happen, what can be the desired cutoff. So we will have a lot of sessions which will talk about the exams. Then of course we'll talk about the colleges, right, that you can target, that you can talk about. There would be live sessions with alumni of premium colleges. So all my students that are a part of some premium universities, at times you get better understanding of what is the expectation, how do we prepare, and what would be the life at campus when we talk to the students who are already a part of it, who have already created success stories. So we would want to incorporate some sessions also in our YouTube offerings. So I hope to see you, spread the word. I hope to see you in the live session soon. There would be the times announced, and keep in touch by various means. Of course, the details would be out soon. Till then, keep working hard, stay consistent, help spread the word. All the best, take care, and don't forget consistency is the key. Goodbye.